Thanks for stopping by at Twisted Art Designs. The positive word for today is friendship. So what do our friendships mean to us? They're so important. Having friends is very important to our hearts. So maybe can you reconnect with an old friend that you haven't seen or talked to in a long time? Send a friend a card in the mail just because. Just write it, something in a card. Find a way to make a new friend, or maybe write in your gratitude journal what your friends mean to you. So have a good day and enjoy your friendships today. So let's get started, and I will tell you about these pages and tell you how I created them. To do this background, I've used Distress Oxide inks in Rusty Hinge with one of these applicators, and then I went over that with a darker color of Ground Espresso. So I've got two colors of Distress Oxide. Then I put some splatters on the page, and I did that by using Caran d'Ache Neo Color 2 crayon, and I just colored it onto my mat and then added water to it and picked it up with a brush and splattered it and let it dry so it would make some stains on the page. They're really light stains. And then I took some paper, this is just out of book text, and I tore it into a shape, and I'm just using one of these applicator tools with my Ranger Distress ink or Oxide inks, and I'm kind of just picking a spot and just using whatever is on my brush, not picking up more ink, but just using it to go and then create a little edge shadow around the edge. So that's what I'm doing for that background. This is how this one turned out. I used this image I put on cardboard and backed it so that I could fussy cut it out, even the little sections, and pop it up with pop dots. I put a doily behind it so you can see that it's raised. And then I put the ads, layered the ads. Some of them have lace behind them. This one has a little tag trim at the top with some strings. And then there's more lace over here with all the different bicycle ads. And the bicycle digitals will be available in the Etsy shop. So if you're interested in doing a page like this, you'll get pages and pages of bicycle related Victorian images and all the bicycle ads. I've scanned all the ads, and then I edit them and make them nice, make them look nice, and then lay them all out on pages and things, so you'll get pages that are just all bicycle ads. It's been a lot of work trying to create the digitals, but it's been fun, and then I'm using the originals in my book as I go along. So this is how this one turned out. I really love it too. Lots of fun. Again, I am backing some of the ads with a really dark chocolate brown, just a couple ads to carry your eye across the page. The rest of the ads are just kind of layered. I've added some lace, a doily. This one that I printed from the digital kit, I printed it on a cream color cardstock, and then I tore it and rolled the torn edges. And then I added features to her face. She's all black and white, so I added color using some colored pencils to make her face come out a little bit more. And so that's this one, and I think that the two bicycle ads are just super fun. I think I have enough to do one more bicycle ad, but I'm going to go ahead and put the digitals of all these bicycle ads in the Etsy shop for you to purchase if you're interested, and there will be a link in the description box for the link to the digitals in the Etsy shop. So thanks for watching, and I hope you're playing along, and maybe you're going to make a Victorian vintage ad art journal like this, because it sure is fun. For this background, I used Distress Oxide inks in two colors. I used my compass to make circles, half circles and little circles. I used a brown Stabilo pencil to shade those circles and make them pop, just to have some interest in the background with the circles. So that's how I did my background, and it turned out really cute. I'm keeping the background simple, keeping the ads the focus, but this book is going to be so pretty when it's filled with all kinds of Victorian images and Victorian ads. So thanks for watching, and until next time, go make art. Art soothes the heart.